I'm going to make the kimchi fried rice today. I have a 2.5 cup of white rice, and I have 4 ounces of shrimp, and I cut into small pieces, and about 4 ounces of kimchi, and half ounce of green onion, and I got 1 egg, and I got 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and half teaspoon of oyster sauce. So for the shrimp, I'm going to put a pinch of salt in it and pinch of white pepper in it. And I mix. Okay, I'm going to leave it right here. Then I'm going to put 1 egg in it. It's too hot. Okay, then I'm going to remove the egg. Then using the same oil, I'll put some shrimp in it. Then I put some onion, green onion in it. Okay, I'm going to remove it. Then I put a little bit more oil in it, just a little bit. Then I'm going to stir fry some white rice in it. Then I'm going to put all the shrimp and egg back into the wok. Then I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Then I put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce in it. Looks good. So I'm gonna put some kimchi in it. Okay, this is all done. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Okay, that's what I make today, the kimchi fried rice.